Good night construction site, written by Sherry Dusky Rinker and Tom Lichtenfeld, and published by Scholastic. Look at that big old crane there holding that moon at nighttime. Good night construction site. There it is dark. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done load by load. The sun has set, the world is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one, they'll go to bed and to yawn and rest their sleepy heads, then wake up to another day of rough, tough construction play. Working hard to keep his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. Oh, look at him. He's got a teddy bear in his crane's there. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself nice and tight. Then cuddles up and says, "Good night." Shh. Good night, crane truck. Good night. Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sings his whirly song. Now, he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, and pulls up his chute and turns off his light. And he cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of the twirly fun. Shh! Good night, cement mixer. Good night. Dump truck. He loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place and then dumps it with a happy face. Look at his happy face right there. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch! Now dump truck's tired and he wants to sleep. He lowers his bed, locks in his gate. He rests his wheels, it's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Shh! Good night, dump truck. Good night. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with a thunderous sound. Roar! And no one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy as can be. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, and he turns off his engine and stops in his track. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh! Good night, bulldozer. Good night. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. Arr! And now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig, and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. Oh, there he is, getting ready to go to bed. He twirls upon his bumpy track. And he sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh! Good night, excavator. Good night. These big, big trucks, so tough and loud, they work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engines and stop your tracks. Relax your wheels, stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. Construction site all tucked and tight. The day is done, just turn off the light. Great work today, now shh, good night. And look, that whole construction site is snoozy woozing, and there's a little moon. I hope you guys are all doing well. Thank you.